Welcome everyone. This is Current Affairs from April 2026. The Income Tax Act 2025 came into force on which date? The answer is 3. 1st April 2026. On which date is the World Health Day observed every year? The answer is 1. 7th April. What is the theme of World Health Day 2026? The answer is 3. Together for Health, Stand with Science. Which iconic painting by Raja Ravi Verma was sold for 167 crore rupees on 1st April? The answer is 2. Yashoda and Krishna, bought by billionaire Cyrus Poonawalla. Cash payments at the toll plazas on national highways was discontinued from which date? The answer is 4. 10th April 2026. Which country initiated the release of 2010 prisoners as a part of humanitarian and sovereign gesture in April 2026? The answer is 3. Cuba. The foundation stone for India's first petroglyph conservation park was laid at which place in April 2026? The answer is 1. Sindhu Ghat, Ladakh. What is the name of the Indian Army's first blue water sailing expedition flagged off on 13th April? The answer is 3. Samudra Sahas, by the Regiment of Artillery. Which Indian state officially declared cancer a notifiable disease across its state in April 2026? The answer is 4. Telangana. Who was appointed as the acting United States Attorney General by President Donald Trump on 2nd April 2026? The answer is 1. Todd Blanche. What is India's third indigenous nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine commissioned by the Indian Navy on 3rd April? The answer is 2. INS Aridhaman, SSBN, submersible ship ballistic nuclear. Who became the new Chief Minister of Bihar on 15th April 2026? The answer is 4. Samrat Chaudhary, leader of Bihar BJP Legislative Assembly. Who was elected as the Prime Minister of Hungary after securing a landslide victory in parliamentary elections on 12th April? The answer is 3. Peter Magyar. In which communication network did India achieve a major milestone in April 2026? The answer is 1. Quantum. Who was sworn in as the elected president of Myanmar on 10th April? The answer is 2. Min Aung Hlaing, securing 429 out of the 584 parliamentary votes cast by the MPs. Which city will host the 17th edition of Electrama in 2027, the world's largest electrical and allied equipment show? The answer is 3. New Delhi. Which country declared a nationwide state of energy emergency for 15 days on 7th April? The answer is 4. Madagascar. Which day is observed by Christians around the world to mark the crucifixion of Jesus Christ? The answer is 1. Good Friday. Which birth anniversary of B.R. Ambedkar was observed on 14th April 2026? The answer is 2. 136th anniversary. A 10-day ceasefire between Israel and which country came into force on 16th April? The answer is 4. Lebanon. Himachal Day is observed annually on which date to mark its formation as Chief Commissioner's Province in 1948? The answer is 3. 15th April, created as Chief Commissioner's Province by merging 30 princely states. What is the significance of the Goldman Environmental Prize 2026? The answer is 4. First all-women cohort. This award is also known as the Green Nobel Prize. On which date does the UN observe World Creativity and Innovation Day annually? The answer is 3. 21st April. India and which country convened their first AI strategic dialogue in Mumbai on 21st April 2026? The answer is 1. Japan. Who broke Chris Gale's record on 24th April by scoring 2,000 IPL runs in 47 innings? The answer is 2. Sai Sudharsan. Under the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Bill 2026, what is the sole capital of Andhra Pradesh? The answer is 3. Amravati. Ministry of Defence and Bharat Electronics Limited signed Rs 1,950 crore contract for the procurement of which type of radar? The answer is 2. Mountain radar. Who was elected as the new Prime Minister of Mongolia? The answer is 4. Neem Osurin Ujral. The UIDAI has signed an agreement with which tag company to put Aadhaar centers on App Map? The answer is 2. Map My India. What percentage of the world's ocean is now within protected and conserved areas? The answer is 4. 10.01%, according to the UN Environment Programme. Whose photograph captured by Matthew Lewis won the Wisden Photograph of the Year 2025? The answer is 3. Harmanpreet Kaur. Which state won the first Khelo India Tribal Games in 2026? The answer is 3. Karnataka, Odisha second and Jharkhand third. Which new sport league has been launched in India? The answer is 1. Golf League, AM Green India Golf Premier League. Which Indian political party observes its foundation day on 6th April? The answer is 1. Bharatiya Janata Party, founded in 1980. Which sentence was awarded to the 9 cops convicted in the 2020 Sathankulam custodial deaths case? The answer is 3. Capital punishment, also known as death penalty. The first FMCG company in India to cross the Rs 1 lakh crore turnover milestone in financial year 2025 to 26 is? The answer is 4. Amul, FMCG fast-moving consumer goods. How many medals did India win at the World Archery Para Series in Bangkok? The answer is 2. 16 medals, 7 gold, 5 silver and 4 bronze. National Maritime Day is observed annually on which date? The answer is 1. 5th April. Which mission has set a new record as the farthest human journey from Earth on 6th April 2026? The answer is 1. Artemis II mission, surpassing Apollo 13 record of 248,655 miles in 1970. The Ministry of Education has granted deemed university status to which of the following? The answer is 4. NCERT, National Council of Educational Research and Training. Who was elected as the President of Vietnam by its parliament? The answer is 1. To Lam. What was the recorded value of India's defence exports in financial year 2025 to 26? The answer is 1. 38,424 crore rupees, a 25-fold increase since 2016. The World Bank has raised India's growth forecast from 6.3% to what for current fiscal? The answer is 4. 6.6%. Which country ranks as the 4th highest funded startup ecosystem globally for current fiscal? The answer is 2. India, behind the US, UK and China. A 1,500-year-old stepped reservoir has been discovered in which region of India? The answer is 3. Elephanta Island, Maharashtra. Which country has conducted an emergency vaccination drive to contain ongoing measles outbreak? The answer is 1. Bangladesh. India sent a consignment of 250 metric tons of food grains to which country on 10th April? The answer is 4. Seychelles. Russia and Ukraine agreed to a temporary ceasefire from 11th April to observe which religious event? The answer is 3. Orthodox Easter, for 32-hour period. Who was re-elected as the President of Djibouti in 2026 for a 6th consecutive term since 1999? The answer is 4. Ismail Omar Guelleh. Which iconic Indian playback singer passed away at the age of 92 on 12th April? The answer is 1. Asha Bhosle. Passengers carried by Vande Bharat train increased by how many in financial year 2025 to 26 over the previous year? The answer is 4. 36% increase with 3.98 crore passengers. Which birth anniversary of B.R. Ambedkar was observed on 14th April 2026? The answer is 2. 136th anniversary. Which city became the first in the United States to install a life-size statue of Swami Vivekananda? The answer is 4. Seattle, Washington. Which California-based startup has 3D printed a cruise missile? The answer is 2. Divergent. The first Indian state to commission indigenous quantum computing test beds on 15th April was? The answer is 2. Andhra Pradesh. Who won the 2026 Fight Candidates title on 14th April? The answer is 3. Javokhir Sindharov, winning the right to a match against the world champion Gukesh Domaraju. Who is the Austrian Chancellor arriving in India for a 4-day official visit on 15th April? The answer is 3. Christian Stocker. What was the overall pass rate of the CBSE Class 10 results declared on 15th April? The answer is 1. 93.70%. Who won the FIDE Women's Candidates 2026 in Cyprus? The answer is 1. A. Vaishali, an Indian Grandmaster. What was the value of India's exports, merchandise and services in financial year 2025 to 26? The answer is 3. $860.09 billion. Who was named as the 2026 Person of the Year by the Harvard South Asian Association? The answer is 4. Sayani Gupta. Who won India's first ever gold medal at the European Girls Mathematical Olympiad in 2026? The answer is 1. Shreya Mohan Dada. Which company has signed an $11.57 billion deal to acquire satellite firm Globalstar? The answer is 4. Amazon. Which new technique was developed by INST Mohali to detect nicotine level? The answer is 3. Fluorescence sensor, Institute of Nanoscience and Technology. Which district secured the first rank in the 8th National Nutrition Fortnight Awareness Campaign? The answer is 1. Ahilya-Nagar, Maharashtra. Who has been announced as the next CEO of Apple Inc? The answer is 2. John Ternus, from 1st September. Who became India's 95th Grandmaster on 19th April? The answer is 4. Aronia Ghosh. On which date is World Earth Day observed annually? The answer is 1. 22nd April. What is the theme of World Earth Day 2026? The answer is 4. Our Power, Our Planet. Who was inducted into the International Hall of Fame of the U.S. Army War College on 24th April? The answer is 1. General Upendra Dwivedi, the third Indian to be inducted. Which country has passed Tobacco and Vapes Bill banning cigarette sales to anyone under the age of 17? The answer is 3. United Kingdom. Which day was observed in Manipur to commemorate the martyrs of 1891 Anglo-Manipur War? The answer is 2. Khongajom Day. For which country has India approved the first withdrawal of 30 billion rupees under SAR currency swap framework? The answer is 4. Maldives. Which country plans to shift 50% of government services to AI within 2 years? The answer is 3. UAE. According to the UN, India's economy is projected to grow at how many percent this year? The answer is 1. 6.4% and 6.6% in 2027. How many new districts were created in Ladakh in April 2026? The answer is 1. 5 districts, Jantar, Drast, Sham, Nubra, and Changthang. What are the new official languages of Meghalaya alongside English? The answer is 4, both 1 and 2, Khasi and Garo. Which institution observed its 38th Foundation Day on 25th April 2026? The answer is 2. SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, was established in April 1988. Anant Ambani has proposed to adopt 80 hippos that once belonged to which late drug lord? The answer is 3. Pablo Escobar. India will add how many new vessels in current financial year 2026 to 2027 to advance its roadmap towards Atma-Nirbhar shipping? The answer is 1. 62 vessels, backed by an investment of 51,383 crore rupees. Which country announced to exit OPEC and the wider OPEC Plus alliance from 1st May 2026? The answer is 4. UAE, United Arab Emirates. India donated 100 made in India electric buses to which country in April 2026? The answer is, please write down in the comment. Thank you everyone for your support. Like and subscribe for more.